Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for an FHA loan, follow these step-by-step instructions to take advantage of this government-backed mortgage program designed for first-time and low to moderate income homebuyers. Step 1. Verify that you meet the basic FHA loan requirements, including having a credit score of at least 580, steady employment history for the past 2 years, and a debt-to-income ratio below 43%. Step 2. Save for a down payment of at least 3.5% of the home's purchase price. FHA loans are popular because they require lower down payments compared to conventional mortgages. Step 3. Find an FHA-approved lender by searching the HUD website or asking for recommendations from real estate agents and mortgage brokers. Not all lenders offer FHA loans, so ensure yours is approved. Step 4. Get pre-approved by submitting a mortgage application, along with documentation of your income, employment, assets, debts, and credit history. The lender will issue a pre-approval letter stating how much you can borrow. Step 5. Search for a home that meets FHA property standards, which require the property to be your primary residence, be in safe and livable condition, and meet minimum property standards for health and safety. Step 6. Have the property appraised by an FHA-approved appraiser to ensure it meets value and condition requirements. The appraisal protects both you and the lender by confirming the home is worth the purchase price. Step 7. Complete the underwriting process where the lender verifies your financial information and finalizes loan approval. Pay for mortgage insurance premiums, which are required for all FHA loans. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.